As our skin matures, it needs more than just cleansing. It needs care, nourishment, and protection. Aging skin tends to lose elasticity, hydration, and glow, so finding the right facial cleanser becomes crucial. Today, we'll explore the best facial cleansers for mature skin, carefully chosen for their ability to gently cleanse while supporting firmness and hydration. These 5 expert-approved cleansers help reduce fine lines, boost radiance, and keep your complexion fresh and youthful. Let's dive into the top 5 cleansers your mature skin will thank you for.
Kicking off our list at number 1, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cleanser is a powerhouse solution designed specifically for mature skin that needs both gentle cleansing and anti-aging benefits. This cleanser combines Neutrogena's trusted skincare science with the power of retinol to help improve the appearance of fine lines and dullness. It's formulated to cleanse deeply while revealing fresher, smoother skin underneath. Ideal for daily use, this cleanser provides a rejuvenating experience that enhances skin texture and promotes a radiant, youthful glow. Key features. What sets the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cleanser apart is its infusion of accelerated retinol SA, glycolic acid, and gentle micro-exfoliants. These ingredients work in harmony to boost skin renewal while removing impurities. The retinol component helps smooth wrinkles and improve cell turnover, while glycolic acid gently exfoliates dull, dead skin. Despite being powerful, the formula remains gentle enough for mature skin, offering a balance between effective cleansing and nourishing care. It's dermatologist-tested, non-comedogenic, and free from harsh chemicals. Usability. Neutrogena's cleanser is highly user-friendly, suitable for both morning and evening routines. Its creamy consistency makes it easy to apply, and it rinses off cleanly without leaving residue. It complements other anti-aging skincare products seamlessly, especially when followed by serums or moisturizers from the same line. Mature users appreciate that it doesn't cause dryness or tightness, which are common with many retinol-based cleansers. It's a perfect everyday cleanser for those transitioning to an age-defying skincare routine. Durability. A little goes a long way with the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cleanser, making it cost-effective and long-lasting. The product's packaging is sturdy and maintains its integrity even in humid environments. With continued use, it delivers consistent, visible improvements in skin texture and radiance. Its long-term results, smoother, more even skin, prove its reliability and effectiveness. This cleanser remains a staple in mature skincare for those seeking quality and proven results in one bottle.
Coming in at number 3 is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Cleanser. The L'Oreal Age Perfect Cleanser is crafted with mature and dry skin in mind, offering both deep cleansing and rejuvenation. As part of L'Oreal's Age Perfect line, it caters specifically to the needs of aging skin by combining gentle cleansing with moisturizing care. This daily cleanser removes impurities while leaving the skin soft, radiant, and well hydrated. It's ideal for anyone who wants a budget-friendly yet effective anti-aging cleanser that supports a healthy, glowing complexion. The key features: the L'Oreal Age Perfect Cleanser features a rich, creamy texture infused with essential oils and replenishing ingredients like nourishing oils, vitamins, and skin conditioners. It contains calcium and antioxidants to strengthen and protect the skin barrier. The gentle formula deeply cleanses without overdrying, restoring comfort and suppleness. It's dermatologist-tested, soap-free, and specifically formulated for mature skin, ensuring every wash contributes to a smoother and more luminous appearance. The main benefit of the L'Oreal Age Perfect Cleanser lies in its ability to cleanse and hydrate simultaneously. It removes traces of makeup, dirt, and oil while replenishing moisture. To use, apply a small amount to wet skin, gently massage to create a light lather, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin instantly feels soft, refreshed, and revived. Over time, it helps reduce dullness and enhances radiance, leaving you with a visibly healthier glow. The L'Oreal Age Perfect Cleanser is extremely easy to use and suitable for daily cleansing. Its silky, creamy formula feels luxurious and comforting on mature skin, especially those experiencing dryness or tightness. It's ideal for both morning and evening routines, and it pairs beautifully with moisturizers or serums in the Age Perfect range. It's gentle enough to use year-round and offers dependable results without irritation. This cleanser delivers great value for its price point. A single tube lasts several weeks even with daily use. The packaging is designed for convenience and hygiene, ensuring minimal waste. The formula maintains its effectiveness throughout the product's lifespan. Many mature users report noticeable improvements in smoothness, elasticity, and hydration with consistent use. Its durable, stable formulation ensures that it remains a reliable go-to cleanser for glowing, age-defying skin.
Taking our fourth spot is Elizabeth Arden Prevage. The Elizabeth Arden Prevage Anti-Aging Cleanser is a luxurious, high-performance formula created to rejuvenate and purify mature skin. Infused with advanced antioxidants, this cleanser goes beyond surface-level cleansing to improve skin tone and texture over time. It's designed to combat the visible signs of aging caused by pollution, stress, and UV exposure, providing a refreshing yet restorative experience with every use. It's perfect for those seeking a premium skincare product that delivers both immediate and long-term results. Key features. The Prevage cleanser is enriched with idabenone, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-aging and protective benefits. This ingredient helps neutralize free radicals while improving the overall texture and brightness of your skin. The formula also includes fine exfoliating beads that gently polish the skin, promoting cell renewal. It's dermatologist-tested, non-irritating, and suitable for all skin types, especially those concerned with dullness and fine lines. Benefits and usage. This cleanser not only removes impurities, but also revitalizes dull, tired skin. To use, apply a small amount to damp skin, gently massage in circular motions to activate the microbeads, and rinse thoroughly. The result is clean, radiant, and visibly smoother skin after each use. With continued use, your complexion appears brighter, firmer, and more even-toned. It's an excellent preparatory step before applying anti-aging serums or moisturizers. Usability. The Elizabeth Arden Prevage cleanser feels luxurious from the first touch. Its creamy, lightly exfoliating texture provides a spa-like cleansing experience. It's gentle enough for daily use and effective enough to maintain skin brightness and clarity. It fits seamlessly into both morning and evening skincare routines and is ideal for those wanting a product that supports anti-aging and environmental protection in one step. Durability. The Prevage cleanser's high-quality formulation ensures long-lasting performance. The product's texture and potency remain stable throughout its use. A small amount is sufficient per wash, making it economical despite its premium price. Regular users notice long-term improvements in smoothness and tone, validating its durable results. With consistent use, it strengthens your skin barrier and enhances resilience, making it one of the best luxury options for mature skincare.
And finally, at number 5, we have the Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. The Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser is a dermatologist's favorite, especially for mature and sensitive skin. Known for its soothing, non-stripping formula, it provides deep cleansing while maintaining the skin's natural protective barrier. This cleanser focuses on hydration and restoration, exactly what mature skin needs. Its unique formulation makes it ideal for those dealing with dryness, irritation, or loss of elasticity due to aging. Key features. The Toleriane Hydrating Cleanser contains prebiotic thermal water, ceramides, and niacinamide, powerful ingredients that restore and strengthen the skin barrier. It's free from sulfates, fragrance, and parabens, ensuring it's gentle enough for even the most delicate complexions. The creamy texture glides smoothly, dissolving makeup and dirt without leaving residue. Dermatologist-tested and allergy-safe, it's perfect for those who need a balance of hydration and cleanliness in one formula. Usability. This cleanser's gentle texture makes it suitable for everyday use, morning and night. It pairs well with hydrating toners and serums for enhanced anti-aging benefits.
The formula is non-comedogenic and works beautifully under makeup or as a part of a nighttime routine. Its simplicity and gentleness make it a top choice for users with reactive or mature skin seeking a cleanser that's both soothing and effective. Durability. The Toleriane Hydrating Cleanser is long-lasting as a small amount covers the entire face effectively. Its stable, dermatologist-tested formulation ensures consistency in every use. Over time, users experience stronger, more supple skin with fewer dry patches and improved overall tone. Its durability, combined with its gentle performance, cements it as a stable cleanser for mature skin. The formula retains its creamy quality to the very last drop, ensuring dependable, nourishing care every time. So, there you have it. 5 of the best facial cleansers for mature skin that cleanse deeply while caring for aging skin's unique needs. From the retinol-rich Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair to the hydrating Roche-Posay Toleriane, each cleanser offers a balance of purity, nourishment, and renewal. Remember, mature skin thrives on consistency and gentle care, so choose the cleanser that aligns best with your texture and needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more honest, professional skincare reviews and recommendations.